Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you eBay buyer requirements. So there are a lot of tools that eBay provides us to the sellers that you can use to filter the buyers. Let's assume that you have a lot of auction listing or best offer listings, and somebody's coming to your listing, they are bidding, and they don't intend to pay, or they are making the best offer and you accept it, they don't want to pay. So there are we can use these tools to filter those buyers. If they have that kind of history, then you can filter them. And to do that, first of all, you have to go there. There are a few ways to reach over there. The first thing is to click on account settings. And from here, you can see selling preferences. And if you scroll down, you can see there's your buy options there. So you can click edit. And the same if you have a seller hub, then you will be able to see the same option, block buyer list, under the shortcuts inside seller hub. So you can use any of the ways that you want to come over here. What you have to do, click on edit. So this will bring you to the buyer management area. So to break it down, they have blocked buyer list, the buyer exemption list, and the buyer requirements. I will explain to all of these three listings. The first one is quite straightforward, blocked buyer list. So if you have any buyers that you are causing trouble, so they are making INR claim, item not received, or they have returns, so have some kind of history attached to them. In that case, you can copy the eBay user ID, and if you click on it, a box will appear. You can just add it, or you can add a lot of usernames inside that box. You can remove it as well if you want. So that's what block buyer list is for. So you can add them based on the issues that you are faced with that specific buyer. And this buyer exemption list that I will come back to you. Before that, I want to explain this one because it's related to buyer requirements. Under buyer requirements, again, if a buyer have a history of not paying, then you can block those buyers. So you can put criteria. This is adjustable. You can adjust it based on your requirements. So in this case, it's even for quite strict. So any buyers who have not paid or unpaid case or cancellations in the last 12 months, so you can either select 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months, they will not able to buy from the listing. Okay, so that's the criteria we have put. And this is also been enabled because sometimes if you have blocked certain locations, and if the primary address is located in that area, then they will not able to buy it. And the third option, you can enable it, and from here you can see, for example, normally what scammers do, they will make throwaway account. So basically they will have zero feedback. In that case, we can put a criteria, say, okay, you need to have at least 5 reviews. So in this case, block buyers, anything less than 5, they will not able to buy it. You can put that criteria. So you can put 0 till 5. So yeah, anything 5 that will remove a lot of scammers from there. That's that settings, and you can enable this option as well, not to contact. If you block someone from here, for example, if you put the list, and they will not able to contact if you enable this option. And make sure that you enable this also, because whatever settings you have done here will be applied to your current listing as well as the listing that you're planning to list in the future. Okay, and the last thing is buyer exemption list. So for example, let's assume that a buyer or somebody have contacted you, and they're buying eBay account. It doesn't fall under this criteria. So let's assume they only have to feedback. That means they will not able to purchase it. So in that case, if you have the buyer ID, then you can make a list. If you click on it, it will be a box pop up, and you can just add those eBay buyers. That means they are whitelisting it, and they will able to purchase. They will able to bypass these requirements and able to purchase it. And make sure that you click on submit once you have done everything. I hope this short video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Please comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching.